Y'all flew in from Germany.
Rode all the way from Atlanta, Georgia on a Ninja 400.
I am the first place winner here.
Hey.
I honestly can't believe this, man.
Let's go.
My son is in the Army in Honolulu, and he follows
you. Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out a while live. I can see the leaders doing, let's be talking plans and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn that thing fluid in the coupe. Way you look, I know it's real. I'm on my shine. I've been really getting feel. You know why I'm here, don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that meet and greet. Vibe with me under moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Sage toast, it'll be race soak in the raincoat. Hit the waist quota, I'll be flossing. I'll be locked in, was lost here. All that turned me to a target. Putting on me, I'll be cautious.
Alright, now we're back. Same turn on the duck. This bike just wants to lean, man. I'm not confident in these tires at all because they look like they've been in the dirt and everywhere but the road. Oh my god. I forgot how crazy this bike is, dude. The brakes don't feel good. Like they need to be bled or something. Woo! Look at this weather, man. Oh man, you're killing me. Huge shout out to everyone that still makes it out. Kind of frustrating, but you know, it is what it is. We're still gonna have a good time. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Let's go, Lacey. I forgot how torquey this bike is. The wheel just wants to hover. Stay in your lane, dude. Stay in your lane. My guy. Alright guys, well, the moment we've been waiting on. Let's go! We've made it! Alright, we're about 40 minutes late. That's okay. That's to be expected, I guess. My apologies to anyone that showed up on time or early. I did not expect that many people to be there on time. But yeah, we're about to pull up here and see what's popping. Woo! Man, I can't wait to meet the FastLaneD gang, dude. This is gonna be epic. Huge shout out to National Motos for hosting this, man. Because like I said, they went out of their way to do this. But if you look, I mean, dude, look at this setup. Holy cow. Dude, I was not expecting that many people to show up. That's so cool. Let's go. Look at this, man. What? Look at all these bikes, dude.
Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Money line, I'ma run it every time. Give me mine, going up, need no decline. Yeah. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my ass. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line. Why check Castro, yeah, I need my money line.
Let's go, man. Look, I'm gonna give y'all a quick walk around and then I'm gonna say what's up to everyone. But I mean, we got a little bit of everything out here, man. This is cool. This is epic. Let's go, man. What? Insane. Can we put it up there? Okay. Look, Kudus is a little wheel back there. Nate with the cutoff on, trying to flex on him. All right, Nate, talk to him, boy. With the new boots, too. That's hilarious. Let's go. All right, where do you want me to leave it? Just right here?
There you go.
Heck yeah. Hey, if she pulls over, it's on the National Motos property, man. I expect a check, dude. What's up, guys? Let's go. This is epic, man. Holy cow. I really do appreciate y'all coming out on this rainy day. I know it's not the best riding weather.
Get away.
Hey, that's true, that's true. We got food coming.
Yeah, I'm gonna be here shortly.
We got wrist. Make sure you grab one of these bracelets. FastLaneD Gang, National Motos. Huge shout out to them for hosting us. This means a lot. They went out of their way. Huge shout out to Aaron. He's the man that put all this together. Make sure you give him a big round of applause. Thank you, Aaron. I appreciate you, man, for real. And we got Lance. Yeah, so he is a racer here. Lance, you go ahead and tell him about yourself, man. You'll give a better bio than I'll give. But y'all want to do a FastLaneD Gang like track day? Like run out a track and y'all can come out and race the bikes? All right. Yeah, we gotta do that.
Gang track day together with National Motos or any of our other dealerships.
Yeah, that'd be dope.
We'll be that traveling circus.
That would be dope. And if you haven't checked out the giveaway stuff, make sure you look. We got a freaking Xbox. I don't know how someone's gonna get that home. I'm sure if you win it, you'll figure out how you're gonna get it home. We got a GoPro. We got quad locks. I mean, shout out to, where's Danny at? Where's Danny at? Danny, he's the manager over at Cycle Gear. He brought a bunch of stuff over as well, like wheel chocks, gift cards, and t-shirts, and all sorts of cool stuff. So if you haven't got a raffle ticket yet, Chef, thank you, Danny. Appreciate you, man. If you haven't got a raffle ticket yet, make sure you grab one. Come see Aaron, and he'll hook you up with one.
It's clutch, control, and balance. If you put your foot down, you're out. If you cross the finish line first, you're done. So you gotta go the slowest. And we'll do that uphill.
And whoever wins the slow race, what are they getting?
We'll talk about that.
Oh, you got something special? We got Superleggera downstairs.
We'll give that away.
I was kidding. There we go. There we go.
We got a Cardo up here. Big shout out to Cardo.
Yep. All right, guys, here it is. We got Lacey back on the channel. I'm super pumped. Hope y'all enjoyed the surprise just as much as I did. But we'll see how long she stays, because we got not one, but 2 new bikes coming very soon.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? Ayy, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hater plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom.
Yes, of course, 100%.
My son is in the Army in Honolulu, and he follows you, and so I started
That's so
following you.
cool,
He's
man.
like, you got to go. I'm like, yeah. So
What's his name?
Jared.
Jared, man, we appreciate your service, man. I appreciate you sending your mom out here. She's a real one for that. I don't know if my mom would come out. She'd be like, nah, I ain't doing all that, boy. We'll give him a shirt. Hey, you got your shirt, man.
What's up? Name's Devontae. We drove up, me and my group, it's about 10 of us drove up from Georgia to see Nashville and meet FastLaneD. So yeah, this is pretty awesome, lovely city. We definitely got to come back here.
So I'm Brent, I'm from Hayes Green, they're from Athens, and we come down here just to have fun.
Yeah, we got to meet FastLaneD, man. We had to.
This is actually my twin brother, and we both came from Gallatin, so it's not that far away. It's only like 35 minutes or whatever. And I mean, he's right here in Nashville, so obviously me and him always, like when we wake up in the mornings, we're always putting on like FastLaneD videos or any motorcycle videos like Moto Madness or whatever. And I don't know, we're just big bike people.
What are y'all riding?
This is my bike right here.
Okay.
R1M, it's a 2017.
Beautiful.
That's my brother's right there.
Nice.
2015 BMW S1000rr.
Man, that's awesome. That's a gorgeous bike, man. Both of you guys. Yeah, we appreciate y'all coming out, man. Yeah.
Wait, what's the farthest? Who thinks they come from the farthest? Germany? Yeah, you're not friends anymore. No way. No, y'all mess with me. Where y'all come from? Y'all flew in from Germany. Y'all ride the bike?
No.
I'm messing with you. He thought about it for a second. He's like, what? She gets to the cul-de-sac where she needs to turn around, and I see her kind of like hesitate and literally just like drop the bike. She hits the ground. She starts crying. Hey, y'all some real riders should really believe in your bikes out here like this, man. Best advice for someone to start filming. Be yourself, 100% authentic. You'll find your people that support you, and stay consistent. 7396. 396. Hey! There you go. That's perfect, man. Congrats on your new gloves, bro.
Appreciate it.
There we go. Do the bike cover? Yeah, bike cover. You might be able to use it right now. 7394. Oh, what?
What you got next? What you got next?
Sidekick. Yeah, for real. After this, you don't need this. Sidekick, man. That's what's up. I could have used this the other day. Rain died on me the other night when I had someone on the back. That was awkward. Very awkward experience. There we go. What's t-shirt you want?
Whichever one fits.
You want nice and tight, man? A little muscle tee. There you go. So the rain thankfully stopped. We're gonna do some slow races real quick and see who can, I guess, I don't know, go the slowest. That's a little weird to say, but we're gonna see who goes the slowest, and whoever wins is gonna get an Xbox, either a GoPro, and we got a Cardo headset we're gonna be giving away to the top 3 people. Time for that cold start, babe. Hey, let's go. All right, Rain, don't embarrass me. All right, guys, the slow race is over. We got the top 3 winners right here. I'm gonna have them say where they're from, their name, and then what bike they ride and what they won.
What's up, y'all? My name's Jonah. I'm from Georgia. I ride a 2020 Z650. I am the first place winner here. Yeah.
Hey,
I honestly can't believe this, man.
Let's go. Bring an Xbox, man. I don't know how he's gonna get that home today, but we're gonna figure it out on the bike, man.
Hey, yeah, go follow Z650_Jonah.
Hey, no, shout it out, man. Shout it out.
Y'all go follow Z650_Jonah on TikTok. Yeah.
My name's Thomas Cooper. I'm from Covington, Georgia. I ride a 2022 Ninja 400. On TikTok, it's Ninja_400. So I got the GoPro Hero 10, and I am so glad to be out here.
What's going on? I'm Brent. I got the 07 CBR 600, and follow my TikTok, TPJ69.
Hey, tell the camera, man.
Rode all the way from Atlanta, Georgia on a Ninja 400.
Woo!
Representing Atlanta.
There we go. Let's go. Yeah. The hometown still showing some love out here. There we go.
Bro, we were going up the highway. I was in the truck with the trailer, and at one point the truck was like, yo, flash flood in like 10 seconds. And I was like, I typed in Snapchat, I was like, buddy, you're fucked. I put it up against the